In this video, I will show you how you can install APK files on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, first of all, just go to Settings. Under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Security and Privacy. Then just scroll down a bit and then disable the toggle for Auto Blocker. Now just enter your lock screen PIN, then tap on Continue. After you turn off Auto Blocker, then just scroll down one more time and tap on More Security Settings. On this page, if you scroll down a bit, you will find the option for Install Unknown Apps. Now just tap on it. Now from this page, just enable the toggle for the app from which you want to install your APK. For example, since I'm installing my APK from the Google Chrome app, I will enable the toggle for Google Chrome. But if you're trying to install your APK file from any other app, just enable the toggle for the app from which you want to install your APK file. Now, after you've done that, now just go to your home screen and open the app drawer. From here, just open the app from which you want to install your APK file. Now just install your APK file. I will install this app, then tap on Open and select Install. And as you can see, we have successfully installed this APK file on our Samsung phone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.